Welcome to the Researcher Development Training Programme for Commonwealth Scholars. This programme is delivered by AccessEd, an international NGO which specialises in delivering professional development to researchers. Today we're talking about two new upcoming workshops: Writing for Development, which is all about applying development principles as a researcher and academic, and Research Project Management, the tips, tricks and tools for project managing your research degree. So what's in these workshops? Writing for Development is for any researcher looking to apply development principles to their own research. We'll cover a number of topics, from shift in development thinking over time, development theories, how they apply to your research and country context, implications for different language used in development, the development actors and institutions you're likely to encounter through your research, the skills and expertise required for development research, and how to do a pest analysis. This workshop will be conducted in a new format. First, you'll watch an online webinar for the content. You'll then join an online discursive session to debate the topics and themes learnt during the webinar with your peers. The second workshop is Research Project Management, perfect for any researcher looking to build their skills, essential for any research degree. We'll be covering principles for project management, tools to use for project management and approaches for task management, techniques for stakeholder management, checkpoints and meetings with your supervisor, and how to manage risk and data through your research degree. So, what next? The workshop applications are now open. Please visit the CSE website to find out more about the application process, and you can get in touch with the communications team if you have any further questions. You'll be eligible to receive certificates once you have completed the Understanding Development Impact training on FutureLearn, have attended an AccessEd workshop and also submitted the development training record towards the end of the academic year. You can look out for emails from the CSE engagement team for further details. We look forward to seeing you at upcoming workshops.